Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello all and hi. I am talking about the project Expense Tracker, which is a group project. The first member of our group is Aditya Pisode, second is Samantan Dige, third Vishudh Khurusi, fourth Urishikesh Gegde, fifth Harsh Sarda, and sixth Sanket Awad. The index of our project Expense Tracker are introduction, objective, problem statement, system architecture, advantages, disadvantages, Python information, future scopes.
Okay, so many of us struggle with imbalanced expenses since, as per statistics, there's a huge amount of people that are unaware of their expenses, and eventually it leads to high debt or a big loss. So, here is our project Expense Tracker that helps to keep track of your expenses, so at the end of the month, you'll have a clear idea of your spends. And the main objective of this project is to keep track of your expenses on day-to-day basis.
Let's see. Problem statement. Using expense tracker can reverse spending issues and will build a budget. That works also it will be monitoring your spending and making sure all your spendings are covered.
So, for expense tracker, what system architecture is needed, we will see. First is import SQLite. The SQLite is a source code that provides a lightweight disk-based data that doesn't require separate service. Second is connection objection. The connection objection is used between to connect MySQL database with a Python application, that whatever data I will be using that will be connected with the application. Third one, that is query. This is the same cursor object, that is which cursor we are using with the object connection. Fourth is query. Query is a set of instruction in data that can be given with the help of query. Fifth is commit. Commit is used to see and make changes which can be confirmed by the database. Sixth is tincter. It is a geo application that we can import many things using tincter. And TK calendar, it is the same as Tinder. We have imported calendar for using the daily expenses. Now we will see the codes what we have used. So here are the codes that we have used. We have imported, as we told, we have used the SQLite as database, Tincter, TK calendar, that is for making the calendar for our daily expenses. Then we have created table, data string, name string, and etc. Then we have used the submit function, submit expense function, that we will be putting values, my title name, what is where I have spent. Then I can use second function as view expense, that I have already saved. I can view that function. Then I have given the font, that how many rows column should be used. I have given I in row, J in column. Here same, I have given we have given the title, that name, the name, the expense title, how much money, and then submit. This is how we have given which color we have given to that to that title. We have given font, and then which variable to be used. We have given that. Then we have submit button. Then after, for saving our expenses daily if we use that application, and then view button, that after all this, if we have to see how much amount how much amount of expense we have spent, we can see it together in this view button. Then all the expenses are saved here, and then we can finally see at the last of downside of the screen that how is made. Now if we run it, so we can see this table. So if I put my name as Harsh, title is food, and my expense is 200. So if I submit, I'll see today 14, my name in I have spent food, title is food, and expense is 200. So, and second, if I use as travel, I have spent 100 rupees on travel, and if I submit, so see again. And now if you together with view expense, so and 11, on 11 June I have spent on travel, that is the previously saved, so we can see what for the previous saved expense also we can see. So this is how this application runs, and it is very useful in our day-to-day life. Thank you.
Advantages. First, you will spend mindfully. Second, making financial control. Third, identify problem areas. Fourth, make a better budget. 5. Tracking your financial progress. 6. Keeping finance organized. 7th, improving financial security. 8. Encourages your increased saving. 9. Arrange and store receipt. 10. Keep up with transactions.
Let's see some interesting fact about Python. Python is invented in 1991. Python supports multiple domains. Python has large standard library. It is portable and integrated language. Future scope of expense tracker helps to business companies to maintain expense data. Easy for big organization to work smoothly. Growth in economy can be used by employee in professional as well as daily life. Thank you.